In this video, we're taking you to Houston, Texas, where police had been tracking a suspect linked to a series of violent robberies. On August 10th, officers spotted a vehicle matching his description and attempted a traffic stop. What started as a routine encounter would quickly spiral into a high-stakes confrontation. Let's break it down, step by step.
Driver!
Step out of the vehicle.
Outside your window!
Hands up. You're getting pulled over. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. You're getting pulled over. You're getting pulled over. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. You're getting pulled over. We'll talk about that here in a second. Step out with your hands up.
What? I'm not standing.
You're getting pulled over. This is a traffic stop. Step out with your hands up. Step out with your hands up. You're getting pulled over. Close up.
The driver seems confused at first, asking why he's being pulled over. But then, instead of cooperating, he climbs back inside his SUV and speeds off. That single decision changes everything. From this point on, officers know they're not dealing with a compliant driver. They're facing a suspect who's willing to take risks. And when someone is tied to multiple robberies, that instantly raises the stakes for everyone. What would make a man risk his life rather than face arrest?
Only 4 units, please. The air.
Step out of the car! Step out of the car! Put the gun down! 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 It's not worth it! It's not worth it!
After a short pursuit, the suspect suddenly pulls into a neighborhood street and stops. At first glance, it looks like he might finally give up. But then comes the turning point. He exits the vehicle carrying not one, but 2 firearms. Officers immediately shout commands, urging him to drop the weapons. In moments like this, officers are trained to focus on de-escalation. Notice how many times they repeat the same words. It's not worth it. Put the gun down. They're giving him every chance to surrender peacefully, but will he take it?
Talk about it here in a minute. Just come over here with your hands up. Just come over here with your hands up, brother. It's not worth it. We'll talk about it in a second. Just walk over here with your hands up. Put your hands up, brother. Walk this way. All those units over there, you're all in crossfire. Stop.
Drop it.
Stop.
Drop the weapon.
Those units now just block the street.
Hey, just drop it, bro. Hey!
Hey, it's not worth it, brother. It's not worth it.
I want to shoot you.
We don't want to shoot you. It's not worth it, brother. It's not worth it, brother.
You can hear the desperation in the officers' voices. They call him brother. They remind him that he's young, that life is worth more than this. This human side of policing often goes unnoticed. It's not just about commands. It's about appealing to someone's humanity in their most reckless moment. But even after countless warnings, the suspect raises one of the firearms toward officers. And right there, the line is crossed. In that instant, officers have no choice but to protect themselves.
Drop the weapon.
Brother, it's not worth your life. Bro, you're young. It's not worth your life. Hey, shield.
Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? Deal. Do not touch.
Hey. Hey, anybody got first aid?
Yeah.
I do. Where is he shot? Where is he shot?
Hold on, bro.
Watch out. Go ahead.
Shots are fired and the suspect goes down. Officers immediately shift gears from defense to preservation of life. Notice how quickly they call for first aid, asking, where is he shot? Where's the bleeding? This is the reality of policing. Within seconds, they move from pulling the trigger to trying to save the very person who moments earlier threatened them. It's a stark reminder of how fragile these encounters can be. The suspect was pronounced deceased at the scene. Thankfully, no officers were injured. This incident highlights the razor-thin margin between life and death in police work, where one decision by a suspect can set the entire outcome. Do you think the officers handled this the right way? Drop your thoughts in the comments, leave a like if you found this breakdown insightful, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next case.